Hi beauties. So today I will be talking through a natural glam bridal look. These are my everyday vanity products that I recommend for a fresh, radiant glow. These products are perfect for everyday glam and also for a natural glam for your wedding day if you are interested in doing your own bridal look. Will be linked down below with Amazon links because we love Amazon over here. Okay, we love Amazon. So stick around for a few tutorial clips and easy DIY tips. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Bye guys. Natural glam is perfect for the DIY bride this year. It's easy, it's forgiving, and it makes you look like you just glowier, just enhance. I am a professional makeup artist and I specialize in natural glam, okay? And just because it's natural glam doesn't mean we're not putting on the makeup. We are definitely putting on that makeup because we are taking photos, we are dancing, we're sweating, we're stressed, we're crying. So even though it's natural glam, we are still putting on that makeup, okay? These are pretty much my daily go-to products. So super simple products to use. Even if you're not a pro, you will be able to use these products. This takes about 10 minutes or so. This is great for an everyday routine or that natural glam DIY bride. We're gonna go in with the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. Thick of your hand to warm it up. Always recommend this. This is my base. It's light, dewy, and foolproof for my DIY brides. It blends so easily into the skin. Do a beautiful glow, a beautiful radiance. Now, this makeup is not for everyone. We have those girls that are soft glam to the T, full glam to the T. I, however, am not. I just like to look like me. Not that those girls don't look like themselves, but I just don't like the full coverage look. Now, since our foundation is more on the glowy sheer side, we are gonna go in with our NARS. We're gonna go in with our NARS Matte Complete Concealer. This one's great because we are going to conceal our rednesses, our blemishes, our under eyes. We're going to use this to brighten, to correct, fuller coverage. Not working on eyes just yet. Now, even though this is a full coverage matte concealer, it is not heavy. It is not heavy. Now guys, this is a new discovery and an everyday product of mine. This is the Dibs Beauty Duo. Now I am going to go in with the shade 2.5. It's in Cool Girl and No Shade. So it is a duo-ended bronzer stick and blush stick. Now, like I said before, this could be for an everyday glam or this can be for your wedding day. This blush gives you a soft, rosy glow, which I love, 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 love. You could go directly into your cheeks with this, or you can, on the back of your hand, you can dab some on the back of your hand with a cream brush. other side, and we are going to contour to the gods. I like to look, and this is where I go. You can also contour your nose, but I like the shape of my nose, so I'm gonna stick with it. Blend, 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 blend. Look at that glow. Oh, very glowy. Like, look at it. And now for brows, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Brow Lamination Gel. I have very natural dark brows and I don't fill them in. So if you are a bride that has brows like mine, this one is amazing. And this is very comparable to the Refy brow one. I am a high-end girly, but if I could save a few coins at the drugstore, I definitely will, because this is super comparable to that. Guys, look at that. I love my brows. Now, okay, eyes are not our focus today, but I do have two products that I would love for you guys to pick up. The Milani Lash Extension Tubing Mascara. Guys, you're gonna need it, because what I love about this product is that it is a tubing formula, so it pretty much coats your entire lash with fibers. And so if you cry or sweat or any moisture goes around your eyes, your eyelids and your under eyes will not turn black. The fibers will actually just fall off. And yes, this is a very recommended product. I love it. Gonna go in with our NYX Professional Makeup Eyeliner. This is a retractable white eyeliner. Now, you could go in with a cream or with a white, depending on how dramatic. You could go in with a cream or a white. It will then open up your eyes. I stay away from black eyeliner or brown eyeliner in the waterline just because I think it closes down my eyes per se. Now if my client says, give me that black eyeliner because I've been using it since the 90s, maybe I will give you that black eyeliner. But for me, it's not what I like. So, two glosses that I recommend. They are both on two different price scales. My first one is my go-to Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I love the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I'm just going to put Fenty Beauty on this side. Mind you, these are two different shades, but look at that glow. Okay. I also recommend the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil. This one's also a very glossy lip. Now, can you tell me which side is which? Like, they're both amazing products. Both can be found on Amazon. Here's a pro tip. If you don't take anything from this video, absolutely anything, please take this, okay? This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. If you don't take anything from this video, please take this. This, no touch-ups, no moving, no, this is like Gorilla Glue for your face, okay? please. So if you are deciding to do your makeup on your wedding day, okay, make sure you practice it more than once because it is your special day, okay? And coming from a pro, it's okay for you to want to do your makeup on your wedding day. It is perfectly okay. No shame in your game. No shame in your game. And you know what? I'm doing my makeup on my wedding day. Yeah, I am. I've decided it. I'm gonna try a trial because it's a destination wedding. And so I'm going to do the trial when I get there, you know, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do my own makeup on my wedding day. So, no shame in your game coming from a pro. No shame in your game. Here's the natural glam look. Fresh, radiant, and DIY friendly. For your wedding, add a shimmery shadow for sparkle. For every day, this is perfect for work or coffee runs. I've seen DIY brides rock this with no stress. It's that simple. These are my everyday vanity must-have. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more.